Joe from EngineQuest again. So this video is prompt because we've had a lot of people call us and asking us how to install our GPK Kit Stud. It's pretty simple. Once it's installed, it looks just like this. So I have a piece of cylinder head here, and what we're going to do is show you how to do it. Blue Loctite, a little bit on the threads here. That's all you need. Don't need too much. Okay, you turn around, you place your support bar across the top, put the stud into this with the square spot facing down. Don't forget your Loctite. Okay, so right now, this is where people have problems. They're like, well, how do I tighten this down? So it's real simple. 4 fine thread nuts, 3/8. 2 flat washers. Run this down. Place a flat washer. Place another nut on top. 2 9/16 wrenches. Make sure they're snug. You're not going to damage the threads. At this point in time, you turn around and you tighten them in. 15 pounds of torque. Simple. You won't break the studs. You won't have to worry about it. GPK kits made to convert non-adjustable to adjustable. Thank you very much, EngineQuest.